Hi guys, welcome to RJ Fashion Hall. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, I came with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I paid one crop top in different styles. So you have to watch the full video. Yeah, this is my first look. I paid this blue crop top with a half and half saree. Yeah, these are jewelry which I used in this style. These earrings I bought from Myntra, and I used these bangles which I bought from Nampal exhibition, and I paid this saree with a belt which I made by myself. So if you want to a video for making a belt of this kind, so please comment me. I'll try to make a video. Yeah, this is the overall look. This half and half saree, orange color and blue color saree. So I used this blue color crop top to pair with this saree, and I used a light color, a cream color lehenga to pair this crop top with this saree. So this is the overall look. You can use this look for some small parties and some small occasions. This is a simple draping, and you can use any type of sarees, not only half and half sarees. You can use silk sarees, pattu sarees, and different kinds of sarees, and you can style a crop top in this way. Yeah, this is a clutch which I bought from online. So if you want me to give this clutch links, I'll try to provide the links in the description box. Yeah, I paid, this is the overall look of this style. This is the clutch, and these are the bangles I bought from Nampally, and these are the earrings which I bought from Myntra. Now belts are becoming very trendy, so I made this belt, and I paid this belt with this saree and with this crop top. I think this is a gorgeous look. I'll try to give the links of the products which I am using in this video, so it may be very helpful. Similar kind of sarees, wallets, and jewelry which I am pairing with these styles. Yeah, this is the overall look of one of my style. I paired this blouse with this orange and blue color saree because in the crop top there are different colors. There is gold color, cream color, and orange color. So I paired this saree with this crop top. This is one of the style. This is another look. This is a second look, and in this look I used Banarasi dupatta to give a rich look, and I paired this with blue color lehenga. This is the overall look of this style. It's a plain blue color lehenga, and this is a Banarasi dupatta, and with this same blue color crop top, and I paired this with heavy jhumkis which I bought from Formal local store. So because of these huge earrings, I didn't pair with any neck pieces. And because of the heavy dupatta and heavy crop top, I paired this look with this simple and plain blue color lehenga. And this lehenga and dupatta I bought from Myntra. I'll try to give the links in the description if they are available. So this is another look, and you can use this look by wearing plain lehengas or heavy dupattas for your cousin's marriage, friend's marriage. I love this look a lot because it's very simple and very elegant look. You can make this look even more brighter by using a metal waist belts, or else the belt which I used in a previous style. Enjoy this look. Now this is the third look, and this is a plain long frock. I used a cream color long frock which is plain. Even I bought this from Myntra. I'll try to give the link. And now I am pairing this long frock with this crop top. Because it's a white color long frock, so you can pair this with this colorful blue and orange and pink color crop top. Yeah, this is the overall look. I paired this plain long frock with this crop top and this jewelry. These white color stones jewelry. Yeah, you can see the overall look of this style. And these are the bangles which I bought from Voila. And these are neck piece, and these are set with these earrings. These are white color and green color stones earrings and neck piece. And these are 2-layered neck piece. By wearing this neck piece, it gives a very bright and very amazing look. Yeah, this is the overall look. I love this look a lot because it's a very decent kind of look. You can pair these type of long frocks and this type of crop tops because it gives a very great look. It's very simple, and you can pair any long frock with these colorful crop tops. For college girls and for office, smaller office parties and few other occasions, you can use this look. I hope you enjoy this look. Yeah, more such videos are coming up in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, I'll try to give the links in the description box. This is one more look, and this is the light orange color lehenga, plain lehenga, and this is the overall look of this style. Now I will explain the jewelry and other things. This is a neck set which I bought from Charminar with these earrings. This is a green color and pink color earrings. Yeah, this is a plain lehenga with a gold color border. And this is a pink color dupatta. Yeah, this is the overall look. And because of this crop top has a pink and orange color, so I use this pink color dupatta and this orange color lehenga. And I paired this with a heavy neck piece. I think even this look is very good. So you can use this type of looks. Yeah, this is another clutch. I used this 2-in-1 clutch because it has two colors. One side there is yellow color and another side there is red color, and it has a pom-pom type of hangings. And even I this bought from I think Amazon or Myntra. I'll try to give the link in the description box. You can use these type of clutches with this look. I hope even you like this look. Yeah, you can use these type of looks for your small family parties and college parties and office parties and few other smaller occasions. Yeah, this is my last look. I use this crop top with this gold color belt with a handloom saree. Yeah, this even a gorgeous look. I love this look a lot. Yeah, I hope you guys will definitely enjoy this video. Keep smiling. Stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video.